You already know we're looking at the Beckett Simonon boots today, the Silva Boots and the Dowler Boots. So let's unbox them. Now, you get this beautiful black box when you order these, and we have a gold embossed Beckett Simonon at the top. It looks super, like, just fancy, just very nice. Very durable box. You get a little certificate of authenticity here at the top. Tells about these boots. They are fully lined with full grain vachetta leather. The uppers are calfskin leather. They have brass eyelets. The heel is stacked vegan leather, and the lining is full grain vachetta leather. So super high quality product for such a low price. Each boot that you get, or each shoe, comes in its own little case type thing to keep them protected. They are microfiber on the inside, and they are branded with the Beckett Simonon as well. Super crazy. These are the Dowlers. Very nice looking, come in several different colors, but just the build on these is just insane. And these actually have the brass nails in them. You could have these boots resold, restored, and keep them for the rest of your life if you take care of them. Now, in the box, they do come with an extra set of strings. The strings on them are a little thin when they come. Now, I like these thinner strings because they look less bulky. They look not as cheap, I guess. The thinner strings to me look a little bit more dressy, a little classy, but they do come with these extras, which I believe are a little bit bigger, maybe gauge is what you'd call it, bigger size thread, or maybe they're the same size. I don't really know. They look a little bit bigger, maybe a little longer. Who knows, but you get an extra set. I've not had a single issue with sizing. I ordered an 11.5. That's what I wear. That's what I ordered. That's what fits absolutely perfectly. But let's keep going. There's one more pair of boots. Now, I can get this out of here. There we go. Same thing. Same very nice embossing. Oops. On the top of here. Now, I dropped this and I broke it, but every box has come very nice. I broke this one as well, dropping it. So that's not on them, that's on me. These are the pull-up Silvas, and I'm probably most excited for these because the color of the leather is exactly what I like. And these are waterproof, water-resistant. They're a water-resistant outer and then a waterproof inner lining. I live off of adventure. I live in the mountains, at the beach, wherever it may be, anywhere in between. So something that's waterproof with a chunky outsole like this is my kind of thing. Now, let me tell you about the little specs on these. Same thing, the insole is fully lined, full grain vachetta leather, brass nails. The upper is full grain calfskin leather. There are no eyelets. The steel is again a 1.5 inch shank. The heel is again stacked vegan leather, and the lining is full grain vachetta leather. So every pair of boots you get, you're getting the same high quality build made directly from the company and shipped to you. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, Seth, okay, I don't care. I can read all of the technical specs on the website. I don't need you to tell me how they're made. The website tells me that. I need you to tell me how they fit, how they look, and would I recommend them? Let's do it. Now, straight out of the box, these fit perfectly. If you remember, like I said in a previous video, when I got my Captain Thursday boots, I had to send them back a couple times and end up buying the size that I don't normally wear, and I still wasn't quite happy with the sizing. When I later got their Chelsea boots, it was the same thing. I ordered my size, it didn't fit. I ordered half a size larger, and they're way too big. So I've ended up actually giving those away because, well, I don't wear them. They're not comfortable. But these, perfect fit, 11.5, nice wide toe box. I really like that. They are just a little snug in the heel, but with these being real leather, they're gonna wear in, they're gonna form to my feet, and they're gonna be the perfect fit. Literally, these are the kind of boots that I've been looking for. Ones that are going to mold to my foot shape and are gonna last and be comfortable forever. Nice grip. They are a little slick on stuff like this because the bottom is a nice leather bottom. So would I wear these to hike in? Absolutely not. But that's not what they're meant for. Would I wear these to a wedding? Would I wear these out on a date? Would I wear these to go somewhere nice? Absolutely. Look at them. They just elevate whatever outfit you're wearing. But we have one more pair. And like I said, I'm pretty stoked for these, so let's put them on. In a previous video, I said that the one thing I don't like about Chelsea boots is the fact that this right here is sometimes really, really wide and sticks out far at the top. I wish I could find a pair that were tighter, that cinched the ankle, right above the ankle, a little bit better and had this double pull feature. Well, these are exactly that. They fit nice and sleek, nice and tight right here. So when you pull your pants over the top, you see it doesn't stick out super far. There's no like weird silhouette to this. They're nice and slender, they're nice and slim. They fit with your pants perfectly. I think ultimately these look far better than something like the Thursday boots or even the Blundstones. I really like these. The bottom is nice and grippy. There's no super slick sliding because we don't have leather. We have this big lug outsole, which I love. They are, again, just a little snug, but that's perfect because with this real leather, they're gonna form to your feet. They're gonna fit amazingly. Now you may be thinking to yourself, Seth, it's the middle of summer. I'm wearing flip-flops and going barefoot. I'm not looking for boots. Well, let me pose it to you this way. If you get into the beginning of fall and it's time for boots, and you're looking for a new pair of boots, you have to then find the boots, buy the boots, and wear the boots in. You need them to fit comfortably before you start wearing them to all of your pumpkin picking and your fall hikes and your harvest rides and your Christmas get-togethers and your Thanksgiving things and all of that stuff. You don't want to wear a pair of boots that are going to give you blisters. Now, I'm not saying these are going to give you blisters, but I think any pair of boots that you just pull straight out of the box that are real leather and then go walk 8 or 9 miles, they're probably going to give you blisters, especially if you're not wearing the right kind of socks. So if you get them now, you have plenty of time to wear them, cooler days, cooler evenings, wear them out to nice dinners, get them broken in before it's time to put them in your permanent rotation. And I really, really think that if you're in the market for a new pair of boots, whether you buy them now or you buy them in fall or you buy them in winter, it should be Beckett Simonon. I've tried too many other pair of boots and I've not been happy. But I'm actually not wearing the shoes that I wore here, and I'm gonna be wearing these on the hike out, and the rest of my day here in Breckenridge, I'm gonna go to Clint's Coffee, and then I'm gonna go get some cookies at a place I think is called Mountain Cookie Shop or Mountaintop Cookie Shop or something like that. I don't know. This place is super cool. I totally live here. These boots fit the aesthetic here beautifully. So I know what I'm gonna be wearing.